Hello guys. Hey, hi guys. Hi guys, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Hi guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to my channel, vlog. I'm Suleiman King here, 2026. Good morning, everyone, wherever you are. And I will thank God for this new day. That is the second day of the March. So I hope all of you are doing well, and you are right. So already we are starting our day from here, from our home, because we need to go to do some shopping to our shop. So after doing the shop, so we go to the shopping. Today we are going to take to buy another potato, because the potato we take the few days ago already we finished, so we supposed to go to take another one. So I'm going today we take the potato and another need it. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and continue for watching my video and supporting me. Comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm very happy to be here, and I hope all of you this day will be the blessing day for all of us, for me, for us, me and Jackson, and for you guys. You are watching my video. So what we supported. So right now already we prepare, we take the shot. So it's the time for us to go to the marketing. So right now it is 8 a.m. right now. So guys, let us see. And I will show you how to continue. But we have here Jackson here. Hello Jackson.
Hello guys. Yeah, so to prepare for go to job. So guys, thank you. Morning guys. Sorry guys. To morning. So thank you.
Okay, so you can see. Oh, already prepare my shoes here. That is look smart. You can see. Very smart. So it's time to take steps. So we need to go there. So you can see I'm ready. I'm full because you can see how I am. So I'm very smart. As I can say, I'm very smart. And say very smart, guys. So I'm very proud of myself, and because I am proud of myself. But all of these things, how you can say how today how I look so smart because of your support, guys. So thank you so much for your support, and I wish you to have the blessing day. Yeah. It's smart.
Anga zinatembezwaga. Abura, naomba unishikie hivi. Mbili.
So I'm going to buy the soda. The Goat Street. Kuna hii pineapple, alafu kuna
orange, kuna tangawizi.
sasa nipe hiyo orange. Ndio bei moja bado hiyo. Bei si moja.
Bei ni moja.
Hii ndio orange. Hizi za watoto hizi. Nipe ya hiyo tangawizi na hii. Kwa hiyo sasa niwekea soda unachukua mbe. Tayari hizo mbili. So guys, I buy this one for measurements. That is we use it to measure the chips. So that is the light measurement. So that from now I use these ones because sometimes I think I get some loss because I don't have the measurements. Boss, nikapata kana nikakuwekea.
Katika nauza.
Chinga.
Katika nauza buku.
Buku mwenyewe kwamba.
Ya
Kenya chinga.
50.
Hivi hapa. Zaidi.
Ni box kama hiyo.
Tukuzie maboksi.
Ndio. Ndio buku ya 50.
Mpira huna.
Mlichagulia mazuri. Ile ndio nakuja. Sasa ngoja nikupe hiyo buku. Ngoja sijui ya bebe hivi. Maana naenda kuyaweka dukani.
Hicho tu.
Guys, I'm ready from the shop in the X. So you can see like I buy it. Buy one tray. It is cost it is costing 407 Kenya shillings for one tray. In dollar it is $4.7. So in dollar. So already I reached. I'm going to the I'm going to the shop. I'm going back to the shop. So already I buy this one. So this one it cost me 500 Kenya shillings. In dollar it is 0.5 dollar. This one. So the egg is this one. So I think so. That is how things is going on. So I thank you also guys for everything. So right now, everything is going smooth, but I think we'll reach far. So the things, very important things to have the passion, because I have the protection for shooting, so I'm going to do it, and I believe it will give me the impact. Already I lived here to my shop, so you can see the shopping I did today. I buy the soda here, I buy the eggs, some measurement of the chips. That is I think that is a tray. I put the egg here. That is potatoes. So I need to
Big shopping now.
This one. So after I finish my job, so I need to boil this egg. So I supposed to go to the neighbor, so I asked him to help me to give the kitchen. So I bought this egg. I will not boil all this egg, so I boil half of the eggs. So some will remain there. Here. I boil, thank God. This is the big. That is. So what I have to say, that is a big step for us. This is a big step. Maybe we started guys can see it's ready. So I boiled half of this. So I boiled today. I boiled 10 eggs. So others are remain there. So let's see how the shape will look like. This is how it looks. So because I take the different color because some people does not like to drink the black soda, so I pick some another color like Sprite, tangawizi here. Because some people here in this area like this color. That's why I totally pick it. Whoa. So guys, that is how things is going on. That is our shop like now. So already we open it. So we need to start. So I need to go to ask my neighbor if he can give me some. He can help me to give the kitchen. So I bought this yet. Then we start to sell it. See how it looks. So already I finished to panga. See, that is how the new views of the shelf and our store here. So guys, so now the Jackson is peeling the potatoes. Peeling the potatoes. Oh. But today we got the potato. It's very small. Sometimes we get the big, the small potatoes. So very small. But I didn't organize the things. So it make me to be very confused because it is very small. But that is how the business sometimes it can be. But it is very small. But it is not good for us. So that is some challenge we get it here. It's very small, so but no. Let's see how it will be. Don't know. But yesterday tomorrow I go there and I will tell you. I told him about this, but they give me potatoes very small. So I supported tomorrow I go there and I talk with him. they give me the, it's not good. No? So that is it. Degrees. So you can see like now the views, guys. Wow, it is so beautiful. Nice. It already start to make the cream. Na hapa tunatengeneza namna ya kumshawishi yule okay, you can see the crack here. It's already starting to make the cake. Meng. Guys, already I get the customer here. Ishirini tu. Ishirini tu. Nilikuwa nauliza. I'm here to the junior, so I need to make something. So I need some toilets here, dishes. So I come to ask. The rain is really nice. So next time, this kind of fun. Because of this rain, I'm here to the junior and come to ask for some things here. Because already I ordered, but I paid. But you can see how the rain is. Everywhere, no one is passing. Takata tu. Betul tak? Hey guys, hey guys, welcome. It's the man once again here. So what I need to say that I think that is the end of my video. But I think we'll meet again tomorrow. God. Ya moto. Hapo. So like that is the end of my video today. So I think we'll meet again tomorrow. But today it's not over. I have a lot of things for me. But our weather condition is to be because of the rain. The rain is raining always, anytime. It cutting, then it starts to rain. So that is why to say that I appreciate your support and thank you so much for supporting me. The comment, share, and subscribe. Then what I need to say, so I hope you to have the good day, blessing day. That is the March will be the blessing March day, month of blessing, full blessing. So I wish all of you, my dear family, to have something like that. So for me, that's the end of my video for today. And I hope tomorrow will continue. That is like the series. This is the series. So today you get this, tomorrow we start. So the end of the something that is the beginning of another things. So that is what you can say though. So is it, So thank you so very much. And I wish you good day.